Ebi n'ebindi bigambirwa kwijuka ekiro ky'obugabe bw'abantu ekiri kujaguza bwa buri 2010 by'okwezi kwa 12 buri mwaka otiireho n'okuhendera 2016 by'okurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omu maka kandi omukoro gukorirwa ishomero rya Kamagoba Primary School.
Ekintu kyongeza omuhondano gw'omu maka n'okubura emirimo, ekindi n'okubura akasente. Rero omukazi obwashaba omushaija akasente oshanga nawe atakiine kuba naba atayinaho kwiha ninga atayinaho kukora. Omukazi rero kugira ngo amanye ko omushaija atayine eki aramuhereze oshanga batandika kurwana ahabw'okuburirwa.
Abebembezi b'ebitongore birikureberera Empungi basimire gavumenti ya Uganda habwo kwikiriza Empungi kwija mu Uganda hamwe n'abanya-Uganda okutwariza gye Empungi.
Here in Kyaka refugee settlement we have a population of 125,765. I thank the community of Kyaka and the surrounding host community and Kyegegwa district as a whole for the peaceful coexistence we do enjoy.
I'm happy to report that here in Kyaka we also work with refugee-led organizations. Refugees also have their small community-based organizations that we do work with, which is also one of the ways of sustaining our efforts.
Juliet Ayo omuhwezi wa Disa bwa Kyegegwa kandi obira ry'omugenyi mukuru nagira ngu gavumenti eriyo nekora ogwayo okwimusa entaasya y'abantu na munonga abakazi okurabira omu programu z'entunguuka.
We have several programs targeting specifically women, and one of them is WEP, and we are implementing it without discrimination. We have Dr. Deep. There are specific percentages that are supposed to be for women.
Omutwe gw'omwaka ogwo gubire gwemerire aha okugira obugabe okwinganingana hamwe na n'oburinganizo mu bantu boona. Amakuru agagasha kwa Philip Murangira.